Hi guys, in this video we are gonna unbox the Casio G-Shock MTG-B2000PH-2A. My favorite G-Shock release this year. In the box you will find a 5636 MTG caliber buck. And there is also an international warranty card included. This is a limited edition MTG box. Okay. Now I'm finally gonna show you the watch. The watch has a diameter of 51mm and is 15.9mm thick. The watch has a sapphire crystal glass and is 20 bar water resistant. The case is made of carbon monocoque and the band is made of resin. This is absolutely one of my favorite Casio watches ever produced. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this watch. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.